I always tell my daughters when they eat shrimp not to throw away the shells because they contain a lot of umami flavor. I'm going to show you how to make this stir-fry rice noodle dish even tastier with these shells. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by soaking the rice noodles in water for 1 hour. Meanwhile, I'll show you how to get umami from the shrimp shells. Here I have 400 grams of beautiful cooked shrimp. Shell them. Then pound the carcasses in a mortar. You can also blend them in the food processor. Then add 10 centiliters of water. Crush a little more. Filter to keep the juice. It will bring the umami flavor to the dish. In this recipe, I also like to put a lot of vegetables that I cut into small pieces. 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1/2 pepper, 4 Napa cabbage leaves. They will give water that the noodles will absorb. 80 grams of mushrooms and 1 green onion, crush 4 garlic cloves, prepare the seasoning sauce with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Combine. After 1 hour, the noodles are rehydrated. Drain them. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan heated over high heat. Cook 2 eggs in 40 seconds. Stir and break them up into small pieces. Set aside. In the same pan, still heated over high heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When it's hot, put the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When it starts to be golden, add the vegetables. First, the carrots and the mushrooms. Stir for 1 minute. Add the onion. Briefly stir. Then add half teaspoon of salt. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the juice from the shrimp shells and the seasoning sauce. Turn to medium heat. Stir for 20 seconds. Put the noodles. Return to high heat. Briefly stir. Add the Napa cabbage and the pepper. Stir for 3 minutes. Cut with scissors to help mixing. Add the shrimps, the eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir for 30 seconds. Finally, add the green onion. Briefly stir. Turn off the heat and it is ready. Bon appétit! Taste this dish and you will not anymore throw away your shrimp shells before extracting the umami. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish. Pour découvrir un autre plat riche en umami, allez regarder ma recette des pâtes de riz sautées aux fruits de mer.